Hello everyone, I'm Yogesh. Today we will see how to integrate your Shopify store with Vamaship.com. So as you can see, we are logged into Vamaship.com new version. Okay, so we will go straight away to settings panel. In settings we have an option called as channels. In channels we have WooCommerce Shopify. We'll click on Shopify integrate. Now the URL which we have to enter should not contain HTTPS or /. So if you are entering HTTPS slash and this, it will not work. So we need to remove the // or / and the HTTPS. Okay, now I'll click on install. Now we need to give the permission to install the app in the Shopify dashboard. Now we are redirected to the home page. So one of the most important thing while integration is you need to check the email address of Vamaship and Shopify store. So let us go to settings. In general, you can see, so the Shopify store email and the Vamaship account email should be same. If it is not same, then orders will not be sent. So you can see in Vamaship the account email is rohit.chemburkar@vamaship.com. In Shopify the email ID is same. So let's go to Vamaship panel and see the orders. First check the channels. Now you can see our store is integrated and it is coming in this box. Okay, now we will go to the orders section and check our orders. Now go to manage orders, scroll down. Yes, now all these orders are from Shopify store which are pulled into orders, manage orders. Now to simply fulfill any of these orders, I will just select and then select my pickup location. So I've selected the pickup location. Then I'll click on view code. Oh, phone number is required. I cannot edit it right now. Let's pick a different address. Yeah, it has phone number. I'll just click on view code now. To contact should be a valid Indian contact number. Okay, so this order number 1101. The contact number is not proper. We need to edit the contact information, the phone number. Okay, I have saved the phone number here in my Shopify order section. I'll go back, refresh the page once again and go to manage orders. Select the order, pickup location and click on view code. Yes, now you can see the payment page. You can see partner, cost, etc. So don't worry about this cost, it is just our test account, so it is showing some value. So just click on create shipment and your shipment will be created. You will get an email notification, your Shopify will be updated etc. as usual. Thank you very much.